Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you on how to fix ERR connection reset error in Chrome so you can browse websites without interruptions. First, restart your internet connection by rebooting your router because network glitches often cause this error. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies from Chrome settings to remove corrupted data. After that, disable any VPN or proxy you are using, since it can interfere with connections. You should also temporarily turn off your antivirus or firewall to check if it is blocking access. Another important step is to reset your network settings using Command Prompt by flushing DNS. Also, make sure Chrome is updated to the latest version. Finally, restart your PC and open Chrome again, and the error should be fixed. Subscribe the channel for more videos.